pop off. You gotta whip the, touch this thing. See why I need to stop. I made it back home, finally. So let's see how me putting in the dreads is gonna go. If you don't recognize this look, I just did my birthday photo shoot. Rapunzel out here. You're gonna see in the other vlog video. They just be peeping out. Here, get into it, whatever. So we're gonna like mad videos. Oh, there you go. But this video is really just dedicated to me putting in my faux locks, crochet style, and I'm elongating them. I wanted 24, you know, the long locks that touch your booty, but I only could get 18, which is only up to like, I never done this before. First time. I'm about to be at the airport in a few hours. I gotta leave at like 3 in the morning. So your girl don't got that much time. I hope I get to sleep. I've been up since 8. I'm gonna put a little thing that says 8 a.m. It's almost 12 hours later, and I gotta do dreads to be on a flight in about 6 hours. I'll put the time. Here, everywhere. All right, guys. I changed it to my comfy fit. I did some TikTok, so I got lip gloss on, all that. I put the mirror behind me so I can see the back of my hair while I do it, so I can stay in my vanity room with you guys. But let's get into these nails. Last night, 30 minutes before I had to go to sleep, I realized I had no press-ons, and if you know me, you know I love a good press-ons. I can go to work or just pop them off, pop them on. So these are the final results to the bit that I showed you. Stars with the rose gold. I'm really happy with how these came out. I'll show you the details. Boop. So guys, I added stars to this. I'm super excited about this. Lately, I've been a little bit fearful to step back into being an artist and drawing and painting because it's been so many years. I feel like I should have probably evolved more than where I am. I know I'm still nice, but this honestly gave me an outlet to express myself creatively. I'm ready to step into my creativity. Spirit fingers of creativity and galaxy moon rays. We out here, we alive, we got mad stuff to be grateful for, and I'm ready. Now 6:53. Do you see me starting with these dreads? No. Let's begin. You see this braid I got going on? This long ass braid that I did that got real messed up throughout the day, but it still look cute. It's his braid that you go pop off. Pop off. Pop off. You gotta whip people. Touch this thing. See why I need to stop. I think I want to live in the chain. It's so glamorous. The Bobbi Boss 24-inch. All right guys, I had took a phone call just now. My mom was calling, so as I was talking to her, I took my hair out. I have 2 braids in the back because I have braided on my hair, so I'm just leave them like that and just get 2 braiding in the front for me to get my hair done as soon as possible. I can't have my nails. It's not gonna work. I need to be as fast as possible, and these are long. The next time y'all gonna see me, it's gonna be box braided up. Hopefully I have some dreads going, and that's it. Alright? Alright, so it's almost an hour later. And I'm on the 2nd row. Oh my god. Hey y'all, look at me. What, this took 2 hours? Why? I braid slower than I used to. Baby's waiting for me so we can go back to his crib so we can leave. I'm vlogging, baby. I'm vlogging. And I watched the video only one time, so let's see if I'm gonna remember how to do this. So I got my crochet. You got the loop. You put it in the loop. Lock it. Right? I can see from the mirror behind my head. Oh, I'm gonna have a problem, y'all. They gave me a defective crochet needle. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, I got that one through. Like, the fuck? This is gonna be crazy, y'all. Y'all, I finally got it. I found a technique where I just gotta hold this. So now I'm just doing the dread while overlapping it over my hair. Guys, as you can see, the dreads are complete. It's been 2 weeks since I finished them. I got them accomplished. I figured them out, thank God. I couldn't even keep filming because I had to hurry up and stop everything. I had to rush, finish packing, rush to my boyfriend's crib. Honestly, I went to sleep for like an hour and then had to get on the plane. Well, before I went to sleep, on the way to the airport, on the plane, when I got to the resort, I was rapping. I was rapping up until freaking the night of the first night that I was there before we went to dinner. But look, it's finished. I'm gonna try to show you how long it is. I literally did only 18 and one pack of 24. Remember, I wanted to extend it and make it come all the way like down to my ass. I didn't have time for that, and I felt like this looked more natural and it was fine. I was trying to do the whole long look that everyone's doing, but I feel like these are long enough. You don't really need to OD with dreads too much. I never cared for long hair. But I didn't even use all my packs. I think I might have used 3 packs for my hair. 2 18 packs. I have to do a giveaway for anybody who needs them. Comment your Instagram name for anybody who wants to partake in the giveaway. And I'll like message you and I'll send it to you. Comment, subscribe, like. I certainly freaking really enjoy how it came out. I kind of don't even want to take this out my hair. As like it got wet on the trip, it got looser. It was so stiff before. Now it's like woo woo. So very simple, very lightweight. You guys like my flamingo earrings? Super fun, super playful, super me. Silly girl. Look at the little feet. Little feet. So cute. This is so lightweight. When I first did it, it was kind of hard, but when you guys look at the videos of my like Costa Rica trip, I was at the waterfall, it got wet, so it got looser, and it's so much easier to play around. Costa Rica was beautiful. Check out that vlog. Amazing trip. Animals, nature, waterfalls, just greenery. I was happy every single day. There's been different hairstyles with it, you know, half, you just tie it, boom. And then this, you just tuck the hair in and maybe use one of the dreads to wrap it a little, and then boom. When you are doing these locks, do not unravel it too much. Literally unravel, wrap. Unravel, wrap. I raveled so much that it got so loose and separated, and it would just be loose, and I lost so many dreads in the process. Still trying to figure out what side my hair part should be. Everyone has a side, and I just don't know which one works. Left, right side. Please comment and tell me what you think. Also comment and tell me what videos you guys would like to see. I'm all down for like ideas and doing things, fun stuff. That's it, boo. This is the end. Guys, later. Bye, my lovelies. Hope you enjoyed. Mwah.